We got some work to do. Is the microphone on? Yes, it is. All right. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It's about 10:30 right now. Yes, I looked at my fake watch. Very beautiful day here in Hawaii. Before we get started in today's video, and before I tell you guys what we're gonna be doing, we got our boy Aaron back over here. It's been a while. We gotta get this done, guys. We gotta finish the car. Like, we're that much closer. If this is your guys' first time to my channel, I'm Lance. I'm from Hawaii. The dream is just to build cool cars and have fun with it. So if you guys could do me a huge favor, drop a like for today's video and make sure you guys subscribe. All right, so on the agenda for today, we are gonna be taking care of all the nitty-gritty stuff that's underneath the wide body kit. Right over here, I don't know if you guys can tell, but you'll see it when we take it off. We're gonna go ahead and shave a little bit more, and then Aaron's gonna be welding just the inner and outer shell together. We're also gonna be taking care of the front bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the little corner that's been rubbing over here. The lowest it can go, I think, is like 55, 60 psi. So this is like too dangerous. This is 70. Yeah. The goal is to try to get this car done in the next, can I do math? 3 o'clock minus 10:30, in the next 4.5-ish hours. I actually have a drive-by graduation to go to, and then I gotta go to work. Backstory for today, just for fun. Aaron texted me last night. He's like, "Are you gonna wake up?" Because I told him to do 9, and I normally don't wake up at 9 o'clock. Lo and behold, I just like wake up out of nowhere, and then I'm like, "Holy crap! It's already 10 o'clock. Where the hell's Aaron?" He's already at McDonald's. So he got me the iced coffee too. So thank you to a homie. Oh, and before I forget, this guy's been doing autocross. How is it?
I'll be honest. Autocross is one of those things where you find the very limit of what you did, not just how you drive, but the things you've done to your car. Very quickly, I found out suspension, garbage. Power delivery, garbage. Tires, garbage. Everything that I thought was cool on the street is nowhere near enough on autocross. So autocross, you need a light car. The Mustang's heavy. You find the end of grip, you find the end of traction, everything, you find the end of it really quickly when your car is too heavy. So back to the drawing board. Right now the Mustang's down. So if anybody wants to get into it, highly suggest it. There's a Toyota Corolla on like some real generic wheels with good tires, and I swear he runs faster than I do. So try it. You really find the limits of both the car and yourself in, like, no joke, the first like 3 turns.
Damn, like, boy.
Damn, I suck.
First off, that's the goal. The goal is to try and either find another like cheap project car, or when this car is done, take it to autocross.
So I mean, for everybody wondering, there is actually a GTR that runs SCCA. I believe he runs the same. His car falls into the same class as my Mustang, street modified. Good lord, is he fast. He's on lowering springs. Like, it's not even coilovers or anything, but he's on like these really trick autocross Hoosier slicks. God, he puts on damn good times.
Ooh, what if we put some slicks on these bad boys?
Big slick.
Maybe ask one of the GTR guys, be like, "Hey, can we just borrow your slicks real quick? Just to, you know, just to look kind of cool." But anyways, all right, let's get to work disassembling in 3, 2, 1. Now, before we start taking off the front bumper, the one thing that we have to figure out is right under here is the front crash bar. I don't know if I said it in the last videos, but like this thing is solid. There's no movement at all. And I figured out why. It's because, you see right here, this is the end of the front crash bar, and it's literally sitting right against it. So what we're gonna do is I'm probably just gonna shave this inner lip right here. Y'all remember the last video with all the crap and the monkey pods rolling up? Now you can see it. Look at that. Look how dry it is. Look at all. What? I'm not sure if you guys can hear me over the car, but we're gonna be cutting right over here. So we're gonna try and see how low we can get the car. So the rears are about 30 in the back. 1 inch will probably make all the difference. Now, I don't trust myself cutting the fenders with a wheel and tire on, but since Aaron has the steadier hands. He's gonna be go ahead and working on cutting the small pieces. We actually might not have to weld this inner portion because there's no actual like shell. They're like kind of conjoined together, so we might end up just seam sealing them. Backside, we marked out the backside as well. We're just gonna cut off just a little bit. We got all of the wide body parts out on my driveway, and I'm gonna go ahead and start on the front bumper while Aaron is working his magic. Oh!
Best part is I'm wearing slippers. Rubber slipper garage.
Yes, sir. Rubber slipper garage. Oh my god, as soon as I turn around, we're at 0. Holy crap, dude. We might have to shave the inner lip then. Jesus. This is 0? Okay, so we don't have to worry about.
No, this is 0.
Holy crap. Dude, look at the angle of the car. It's like lowrider.
It's funny because like it was actually really small. The piece was maybe about that big. And that's all that was stopping it.
Oh my god, this is nuts. I guess it's time to assemble again.
0.
Dude, that was fast. Oh, dude. Oh.
0.
Oh my god. Now, okay, I think I gotta roll it out just to get some photos.
No.
You gotta shave,
No.
yeah? Now we're at having problems here. So I guess we're gonna shave this line. Dude, this is...
The back is... Oh, the back is tight. It's just right here.
I'll see.
Just do a little bit of shaving. Just
What about in the back end?
maybe over here, just to be safe.
Yeah.
But that's just barely nick it. You go 0 with the fenders on.
Yeah, 0. Oh, can we 0 with fender? I think we can. If you're all at this point, oh, let's wipe this camera first. If you guys are at this point right now in the video and you guys have not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. I guess we're gonna 0 out the car today with fenders on.
With fender.
Dude, you're like just there. Oh my god. What kind of monster have we created? That's nuts.
So the saddest part is like, you bring this to a car show, right? And all they see is finished product. Like nobody really knows how much like fitment.
I know.
Like for every single car out there that like nobody knows what's going on underneath. There's so much work behind it. Like this is 3rd or 4th fitment now, but it's just slowly chipping away so that it's just perfect, you know?
Yeah. That's why, guys, when I say like it's everything just nitty gritty, it's seriously down to like the millimeters.
Yeah, millimeters off.
Now, our biggest problem is gonna be finding out how we're gonna do fender lining, but I think we're gonna save that for another day. That's another whole thing. We're probably gonna have to take the fender off again, but we're just gonna jam right through the rest of this and then probably gonna bring it down the driveway.
We're not quitters.
Yeah. We got the rears pretty much settled out. We dropped the front side as low as possible. There's just like slight, very, very slight rubbing on the over fenders right here on this portion of the tire. So we're just going like right into it and just zipping everything out. But for the most part, other than that, just give us maybe like 20 more minutes. 20 minutes and we're just gonna finish all of it. You guys not ready to see this when it comes out, man. This is gonna be freaking nuts. We're gonna wash the car down real quick and then we're gonna bring it out onto the road, and then I'm gonna show you guys with the whole thing on the ground. This is honestly my first time seeing it rolling because I'm usually the one, you know, just myself, but since I have Aaron here, this is I've lost for words. I don't know what to say, guys.
I think it's actually hard to drive.
It's really hard, yeah. You look good in the driver's seat of a GTR.
This thing feels heavy.
Look at that, guys. Ceramic coat is still good. One of my first videos I ever did just to upkeep the ceramic coating. Still good. Look at the body. Look at that. Still beads right off. Got her all wiped down. Now let's take her out, baby.
It actually kind of needs keys though. Oh, no bad. Buying them.
Cherry.
Dude, I am legitimately having like mad flashbacks.
Holy yeah, boy. Oh my god, this is so sick. Oh my god, what have we done, bro? Okay, let's do a nice, very nice walk around. Just, oh dude, this is so good. This is freaking nuts, boys. Look at that. See, this is what you call I don't even want to say it's bodied, because I'm giving it maybe a good millimeter or two.
Dude, if this was
Flat ground, guarantee we're gonna body this. Look at, oh my goodness, what have we done? What have we done, guys? Honestly, like just this right here, looking at it from this angle, or let's just edge over just a little bit just to take a peek at the wheels. Dude, we have outdone ourselves again, guys. Also, mad shout out to the boy Aaron. This build would not, I mean, I give all my thanks to all the guys that helped me, but if there's one guy, this is the guy right there. This build would not be possible if he wasn't part of it. So
I just like giving Lance bad ideas.
he's the reason why I do this. I'm like, should we do this? We're like, yeah, let's just do it. We might as well just do it. Who cares? But oh my god, I'm freaking stoked now. The real question is, what color are we gonna paint the car? I'm not gonna wrap it this time around. I am gonna paint it. So drop it down in the comments. What color you guys think I'm gonna wrap the car? I don't know what to say. I'm just super happy we're finally on the ground. Now that the car is finally bodied, unfortunately all of the front stuff is gonna come off again, because we're gonna have to be working with new intercooler, new blow-off valves, new piping, everything. I'm still thinking about changing the color of the piping of the intake and the manifold as well. If I can just articulate or explain like just how much of a pain it is. All right guys, so literally everything on the inner lip over here we had to kind of cut away on the front and the back. Like I think the rear gave us the most problem, because these are like two conjoining pieces, so we kind of have to level out everything in the back, and then just making sure that the spacing of everything is good when the car goes up and down. Like we do not want to like just chip anything. So that was the main goal. We got it all done. Pretty sure our skin is coated, like I'm pretty sure our skin is coated in a lot of fiberglass. But oh man guys, this is I don't know what to say. Like just look right here. That is what you call body. Literally me and Aaron's just sitting like legit against the bush because it's so sunny.
Yeah, that's hot.
It's freaking hot. But just like we were just talking about having flashbacks of back when I first entered this car in Spocom, like that feeling, you know,
yeah.
That feeling of just like when everything was bagged and seeing it on the ground for the first time. That's the feeling. You just gotta sit in awe.
Dude,
honestly, you just gotta just sit and appreciate it right now. It's so low, and the fact that we can actually put it a tad bit lower is what's more scarier.
For those of you who don't know, there is enough clearance that even when it's just about touching the ground, you could drive it technically forward and backwards. That's about it, but it would move. There is more than enough clearance to do so.
Yeah, if we wanted to put zeros all the way around,
oh man, I think it could.
It could. We could roll around. We could limo the car. I don't recommend limboing the car, but we could limo the car. We're still crossing our fingers and possibly sending this car to SEMA. I don't know how that's gonna happen, but I'm just, if the stars align and everything just works out, that's the ultimate goal. Is just to have a garage built GTR, very rare, and 90% of the work is done in my garage. Like,
All day.
that's crazy. That's gonna be crazy. And it's just a story of it. I think that's what I'm chasing more. It's not just, you know, to say I sent the car to SEMA, you know. It's more so I'm chasing a certain storyline of the car. That makes sense. Because to me, that's what makes the car, you know, yours. And just having friends be a part of it, that's the icing on the cake for me. But I don't know. Gotta send it up someday. Hopefully this year, maybe. If anybody's watching this video and you guys know people, send them my way. I'm just saying, you know. But man, she's a beauty. She is such a beauty. Now this is a more proper sitting. I like to say it is. We did it again.
It's funny because it started with let's zero the back, or actually let's cut it, get it to fit. It turned into let's zero the back to no, let's body the car.
Yeah.
Today.
If y'all haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, drop a like for today's video. Super happy that we finally got this done. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about the car now that the car is on the ground. Hopefully in the next week we're gonna have the car ready to be set to dyno. Not that much stuff that we gotta do, honestly, and the stuff we've already did because we did it on Tony's car, and just taking off an intercooler and piping shouldn't be too bad, knock on wood. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Aaron's already like,
Dude,
he's already cheesing as much as I am too. Well, I'm gonna head to work. Well, actually have a graduation drive-by to go to, and then I gotta go to work. And then I'm probably gonna edit this video. Hopefully I'll have this video out ASAP, because if you guys aren't following me on TikTok and Instagram, links right there, I kind of leaked a little bit of stuff from today. So if you guys want behind the scenes stuff, make sure you guys follow me on my socials as well. Please subscribe. I can't say it enough. Subscribe, like this video, so hopefully I can quit my job, or we can both quit our jobs and we can just do this all day, all the time. Wake up and just, you know, have fun with cars. But thank you guys for watching today's video. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, and always to remember, challenge your standards.